Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to use your Temu coupon bundles. Now, what are Temu coupon bundles? These are a collective of Temu coupon codes that you can use all at the same time. So how do you do that? If you go, this could be done on the PC, like what we're doing right now, or on your mobile app. So all you need to do is go to your profile. In your profile, all you need to do is click on coupons and offers. Now, sometimes there will be some coupon offers here that you can use, and all you need to do is save the coupon codes for a rainy day or for when you will be using them. So as you can see right now, there are none. And if you go back to Temu, for example, let's buy this this flashlight. Buy this, right? Click add to cart. Choose one. There you go. After that, go to cart. And on your cart, all you need to do is click on checkout. Click checkout. And here you can apply coupon codes, right? So you can apply limit 1 coupon per purchase. What can that be applied to shipping fees? So just apply coupon codes here. And if you have a bundle, you can just enter the coupon code bundle here and you will be good to go for whatever discount you will be having. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.